Most people are still not taking full advantage of Google AI Studio, even though it's one of the most capable, completely free AI platforms available right now. It has some of the most powerful features that can transform your productivity and results, helping you produce higher quality work with more impact and less effort. This is where Gemini becomes a full professional workspace. You can compare expert viewpoints, stream and analyze documents live, and build structured research or business workflows all in one place. And in this video, I'll show you 3 practical use cases that reveal just how powerful it can be. So let's get started. So let's look at our first use case, where we use one of the most powerful features inside Google AI Studio, the compare mode. We're going to use compare mode to explore a common research question. How does remote work affect employee productivity? Now, the goal here is to see how 2 different research perspectives, qualitative and quantitative, would approach the same topic. It's a great way to test ideas before choosing your final study design. From the left sidebar, click Chat, then switch to Compare at the top. And what it does is, it lets you run 2 AI sessions side by side, each with its own reasoning style, system prompt, or even Gemini model. It's perfect for anyone who wants to explore different analytical perspectives before deciding on the best approach for their project or study. You'll now see 2 panels, one on the left and one on the right. So we need to come here and click the small icon at the top where it says Show Run Settings, then at the side here where it says System Instructions, and where it says Sync, toggle that off. This allows each side to have its own role, model, and reasoning style. So on this left side, I want to get a qualitative perspective, so I will paste this system prompt. You are a qualitative researcher exploring employee motivation, communication, and work-life balance in remote settings. You rely on interviews, focus groups, and thematic analysis. On the right, I will again come to Show Run Settings icon and click on System Instructions and paste the system prompt. You are a quantitative researcher measuring productivity through performance metrics, time tracking, and survey data. You focus on statistical reliability and measurable outcomes. Then, in the main box here at the bottom, I'm going to add this main prompt. Evaluate which research method is better for studying how remote work affects employee productivity. Then we will click Run and watch what happens. Here's what the results show. On the left, the qualitative researcher recommends interviews, focus groups, and thematic analysis to uncover why productivity changes, exploring how factors like home environment, family responsibilities, and psychological safety affect performance. This approach provides depth and context, helping answer questions about meaning, motivation, and the underlying mechanisms behind productivity shifts. On the right, the quantitative researcher focuses on measurable outcomes, suggesting objective metrics like task completion rates, time to completion, and structured surveys on engagement and well-being. They highlight that this method is best for studying scale, measurable impact, and general trends using TAM or structural equation modeling to identify causal relationships between motivation, efficiency, and output. Both sides agree on one key point: productivity in remote work is multifaceted, and the shared conclusion: a mixed methods design is the most robust, combining statistical evidence with human-centered insights for a complete understanding. So let's move on to our second use case, where we look at another powerful feature inside Google AI Studio, the stream mode. It lets Gemini interact with your screen or webcam in real time, analyzing documents, visuals, or data as you scroll or present. Think of it as live collaboration with the AI. It observes what's on your screen and gives feedback instantly. This makes it perfect for reviewing reports and proposals or strategy documents without having to upload files or copy long text blocks. Let's walk through it step by step. From the left sidebar, click Stream, then choose whether to talk, share your webcam, or share your screen. And so here I'm going to select Share Screen, then choose the tab, window, or screen, whichever one has your document open. So here we've shared our research paper. Once streaming starts, Gemini can actually see your document content. Now you can talk to it directly and ask questions about what's on screen. So here I'm going to say, can you explain Figure 4 in detail?
Figure 4 shows clustered findings in the TOE model, covering 4 areas affecting AI adoption in SMEs: organisation, resources, cultural aspects, and knowledge and execution. Each has associated points, like effective leadership in organisation.
And just like that, it can instantly break down the figure, explain key concepts, so you can use this feature with any document, and Gemini will analyze it in real time, highlighting gaps, suggesting improvements. So this is an incredible feature that can give you expert-level feedback in seconds. So now let's look at another way to use stream mode, this time as a presentation coach. So here you simply share your screen and rehearse your presentation aloud while Gemini listens and analyzes both your delivery and your slides in real time. From the left sidebar, click Stream. Now this part is really important, and because it's what guides Gemini to act like your coach, click the System Instructions icon at the top and paste this prompt. You are a presentation coach. Listen to my delivery and read the slides on screen. Give feedback on pacing, clarity, and tone. Suggest improvements to slide design and transitions to make the presentation more engaging and professional. Then start speaking, walk through your slides as you normally would, and describe your key points.
Advancements in machine learning, deep learning algorithms are being used to analyze vast amounts of medical data, leading to improved diagnosis and treatment recommendations. Secondly, natural language processing. This is enabling AI systems to understand and interpret medical text, facilitating tasks like patient record analysis and drug discovery.
Your pace was mostly appropriate, but you rushed through the latter points a bit. Try to maintain a consistent pace throughout. Your clarity and tone were generally good. Regarding the slide, breaking down the text into more manageable chunks and using bullet points would make it easier for the audience to follow. Did you want me to suggest specific improvements to the slide design?
Yes, go ahead.
For deep learning, you could use an image of a neural network. For natural language processing, perhaps a speech bubble or text being translated. Computer vision could feature an image with objects highlighted. And for reinforcement learning, maybe a maze with the optimal path highlighted.
And just like that, Gemini gives you real-time notes on things like pacing, filler words, or sections that sound rushed, and visual feedback on your slides, whether the text is too dense, the layout feels unbalanced, or if a graphic needs more context. Now let's move on to the third feature inside Google AI Studio, Generate Media. This is where you can create images, videos, or even audio directly from prompts. It's perfect for creating visuals and infographics to support your work, whether it's a research project, a strategy report, or a client presentation. So what we're going to do here is create a simple professional infographic that shows the stages of AI adoption for small businesses. You have several options here. Try Nano Banana. Imogen speech generation. VO for this use case, we'll select Nano Banana. In the box, type create a professional infographic showing the stages of AI adoption for small businesses from awareness to integration in flat design. Include clear icons and concise labels for each stage. Use a horizontal layout with 5 stages labeled awareness, exploration, pilot, implementation, and integration. Include business-related icons, a light bulb, magnifying glass, gear, handshake, and graph. Then click Run. Gemini will generate your infographic in just a few seconds. You can preview it, download it, or rerun it to get an alternative design. And just like that, you've turned your written insights into a clean, professional visual, perfect for slide decks, reports, or client briefs. So that's Google AI Studio, a workspace that brings research, analysis, and creation together, all in one place. If you haven't tried it yet, go to aistudio.google.com. It's completely free to start, and you'll see how powerful it really is once you try it for yourself. If you found this useful, give the video a quick like. It really helps more people discover this content. I'll see you in the next one.